Put on the seat cover. Pull down the seat cover and arrange the position. Flip up the seat cushion. Tuck the clasp into the seat seam. Put the cushion cover down and put the cushion cover over the seat. Hanging hooks hook into the underside of the seat. Zip up the seat cover. Put on a pillowcase and stick it tightly. Unlatch the back of the headrest. Put the headrest on. Snap in. Put in waist rest. Put seat covers on the rear seats. The strap of the headrest cover goes into the headrest. Hook into the strap. Tuck the clasp into the seat seam. Headrest cover strap through headrest. Hook into the strap. Put in middle seat cover and stick tightly. Put in the rear seat cushions. Put on the seat cover. Tuck the clasp into the seat seam. Put in middle cushion and stick tightly. Tuck the clasp into the seat seam. Lift the seat cushion and insert the clasp. Lift the seat cushion and insert the clasp. Lift the seat cushion and insert the clasp.